However, both considered that tax return forms were too complex to be handled by any taxpayer without the help of accounting and legal experts, and was one of the challenges to be addressed in the next budget. Full stop. There were, however, strong reports that an extension would be allowed for a few days after the expiry of the last date. Full stop. He said tax evaders would not be able to purchase vehicles and properties, invest in mutual funds, open bank accounts, withdraw cash, and even face problems in handling deposits. Full stop. A digital system will monitor all transactions, cross-referencing them against declared income, with spending caps imposed on non-compliant individuals. Full stop. New paragraph. If you want to get those folks back home sustainably, a diplomatic path is the right course. Full stop. He pointed out that the Biden administration made no bones about the fact that we don't necessarily see the tactical execution the same way that the Israel do in terms of protection of civilians, but maintained that American support for Israel's security was ironclad. Full stop. The US also warned Tehran, Iran exploiting the situation, expanding the conflict. Full stop. It backs use this moment to target American personnel or interests in the region, the US will take every necessary measure to defend our people. Full stop. With the country already mired in political and economic crisis, the Israeli escalation has pushed it to the brink, with the bombardment, killing of people. Full stop. New paragraph. The government says that a million people, a fifth of the population, had fled their homes. Full stop. Some displaced families spent the night on the benches, a string of restaurants and cafes on waterfront. Full stop. On Sunday morning, families with nothing more than a duffel bag of clothes had rolled out mats to sleep on and made tea for themselves. Full stop. A resident had brought 9 laborers from Multan for the construction of his house. Full stop. They were building the house and lived in a room provided by the house owner. Full stop. Sources said the local administration was not aware of the presence of these laborers in the area, as the person who brought them had not informed the authorities concerned for their registration. Full stop.